I suppose what a lot of the people listening in would love to know and maybe even see. I know we discussed potentially about you sharing your screen and maybe I was looking at some charts and from your experience then seeing how you're analyzing it and how you're navigating the charts.
Yeah, sure. I can share now my screen. So I'm trading oil now, like with my funded. I trade gold and oil, but oil
Yeah.
has been my go-to. Like I found more nicer entries and movements in oil,
Hmm.
and I basically start with the week chart, see what is going on, and have my lines drawn and the fair value gaps, which ICT teaches, um, and uh, and then going to, like, I just go from week to day to hour to 5 minutes, and then eventually in 1 minute to take the trade, or sometimes even the 30-second time frame. Um, and if we see that one trade that I took, maybe the first trade that I took with the funded account, it was here.
Hmm.
So, what I saw is, like, I had this fair value gap from months ago drawn, and then I have another fair value gap here, and it happened that the 50% of the fib was exactly here. So I saw this movement bouncing. You can say it was a bit of a support, but I wouldn't call it a support. And then I took the trade, and we can see the trade. Sorry, I had it, like, I'm very new. I'm not new, but uh, there it is. This is the 5 minute chart, and this is the trade I took,
Nice.
and it just went all the way up. If we also see, like, other like another trades, it was, my entry was exactly here, and then I
Hmm.
took all this. Like, I sort of expect the price to do certain things, and unfortunately, this trade I had to cut in half because there was a news restriction coming.
Yeah.
So, well, that was a bit unfortunate. Um, and But if you see also my charts, it's like in the beginning it was like I couldn't even see the price from the indicators I had. That's
Hmm.
like the starting mistake, I think. And now I just have the boxes, some lines, and I can see clearly what I need to see to get, like, the movement I want.
Yeah.
Um, and these, like, if you see the price and why I'm saying it's not random, it's like all of these things were drawn before it was happening. So all these bounces here and here, I sort of expected that
Yeah.
this will happen, and that is, like, very helpful.
Yeah, definitely from the win rate percentage that we can see on the account. Definitely the strategy that you're employing is working more often than it's not, which is always a great thing. We always have some trades that we maybe enter at the wrong time and they don't go the way that we expect. But I think as long as we're getting it more often than not and getting our stop loss and our take profit in place, I think that's the winning strategy.
Yeah. And one thing that I also do is, like, when I'm in a trade, I'm managing the trade all the way. Like,
Yeah.
I just don't leave it out or put like an alert or something. I'm really on top of it, because things can change pretty quickly.
Yeah. Definitely. No, that's brilliant. And I suppose one thing to point out as well, what we can see, you're very active on your trades, but one thing that we also noticed was your withdrawal patterns. So making sure that you're solidifying your profits. And just a little bit of feedback from us. Obviously we approach it quite differently than a lot of other prop firms. We are an STP prop firm, so all the trades are fully funded and all the trades go out to market. And so just from your withdrawal patterns, and you were putting in requests multiple times a week to solidify those 4-figure withdrawals, we've actually made a decision to change our terms and conditions. So from now on, we're actually allowing unlimited withdrawals of your profit. So if you make a profit, you solidify it, you could do a withdrawal several times a day if you wanted to. So that's something we're doing on our end to, I suppose, empower people, enable people to make a profit and then solidify it and start again and keep going to make a successful trading journey.
Yeah, that actually this immediate payout was in the beginning. I thought there was an issue with it because there was no announcement of anything. And I'm like,
Yeah.
I like this glitch, so let's not say anything.
Yeah, we definitely noticed it, and he raised it up to me. So they were like, are we allowed to do this? Can we? Like, he's put a second request in this week. And I was like, yeah, let's do it, and then you put another request in the day after. And we processed and we said, you know what, let's change the terms and conditions here and let's make it open for everybody so that we can get that advantage. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, thanks so much for sharing your experience in your charting. I think a lot of people will find this, very, very valuable.